Hey guys, Lane Morgan here, and we are out where we get our trailers wrapped and decaled. I've got an 8.5 by 24 going to Southeast Missouri State University. This is actually a mobile classroom, guys. They are teaching people how to fly drones and do different stuff with aviation. But let's walk around here to the back, Jake. We told you, you can dream it, we can build it. This right here is a mobile classroom, guys. You can see there's a lot of going on inside of here. Desktops, where people are going to be setting up computer stations. We've got, you know, solar panel up top so they can go off grid. There's a 12-volt system in the front. I'll show you all of that as well, but it has solar panel. It does have a Cummins Onan generator in here. The guys, camera system all the way around it, so they'll be able to see, you know, what's going on around the trailer. PA system, radio system, 12-volt stuff. In here, you got a microwave, fridge, freezer. Up under here is a base cabinet. So right there you can see some of the battery systems in the front for the solar panel stuff. It charges the batteries, electrical package with a 12-volt inverter as well, or converter. We got some E-track running down the walls, guys, so they can strap anything that needs to be strapped down. PA system, plenty of receptacles. There's a TV on the floor that can actually hang on the outside of the trailer as well. Extra height, you can see 7.5 foot tall. It does have our safety package on it with 2 fire extinguishers, carbon monoxide detector, and a smoke detector as well. But you see some speakers on the interior, and there's speakers on the outside for the PA system and the Bluetooth radio system. It's got awnings on it as well, so they can, you know, do a lot on the outside or the inside of the trailer, rain or shine. It's got 2 entry doors. We did the floor covered in RTP, receptacles everywhere. The drone industry is something new that's really starting to blow up big. A lot of people are learning how to fly drones. You can do a lot with drones. We've got 12-volt exhaust fans as well. Let's walk around here and show you the generator. So guys, Cummins 4500 watt generator, push start button with a dual inverter, so it'll be very quiet for the classroom. Has a remote start on it as well. But we build them all with a slide out tray. GFI receptacles right here in case you need to power anything on. 5,200 pound axles, so they'll have a payload of 7,200 pounds is what they can haul in this trailer. Electric jack on the front. This right here is for the propane tanks. They're going to have 2 30-pound propane tanks. We got some 12-volt lights up there. Again, there's a camera, 50-amp motor base plug that'll run the electrical package. Solar panels up here, you can see. But guys, we've got an awning on the side. Again, more GFI receptacles right here so they can plug in whatever they need to plug in. Speakers, LED lights, 2 entry doors. More GFIs right here. So they're going to be plugging in a lot of stuff in this trailer. The entry door right there. Ramp door in the rear, bar lock with extra security. I'm sure they're going to have some nice stuff on the inside of this trailer they don't want anybody stealing. So you've got an RV lock plus bar locks. This one has a blackout package. It's got our black mod wheels. Again, 8.5 by 24 mobile classroom trailer, guys. Guys, if you're interested in a trailer, you can give us a call. 888-287-3954. Again, my name's Lane Morgan, the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and I've got 12 amazing sales reps that do a phenomenal job for us that'll answer any questions that you have. It's our busy season. It's starting to kick off. We're getting hammered with orders. So if you're in need of a trailer, this is not a better time to call than right now, guys. We look forward to earning your business next. Y'all know the rest. Stay humble, hustle hard, and be blessed. 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We'll see you soon, guys.